Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to send Discord channel messages for new LinkedIn leads. So I am an owner of a digital marketing agency, and to promote my agency I am running some new LinkedIn lead gen forms. So now here in this case I want that whenever I am going to receive new lead through my LinkedIn lead gen form, then I want to notify my team about the new lead received on our Discord channel immediately. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I manage a digital marketing agency and I use LinkedIn to connect with potential clients. So here on my screen you can see my campaign which I have created for my lead gen form, and now here I want that whenever a new lead comes in through LinkedIn lead gen form, then it's crucial for my team to know right away so we can follow up quickly. So since we use Discord for our internal communication, I want to automate the process to send a message to our Discord channel whenever there is a new LinkedIn lead. This helps my team stay updated in real time without needing to constantly check LinkedIn, allowing us to discuss the lead and plan our next steps immediately. It helps us respond faster and stay organized in our client outreach efforts. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn lead gen forms with my Discord channel, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send Discord channel messages for new LinkedIn leads, and now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here, and by clicking on it, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn lead gen forms because I'm going to receive new leads through my LinkedIn lead gen forms. So LinkedIn lead gen forms are built-in forms that makes it easy for businesses to collect leads directly from their LinkedIn ads. When someone clicks on an ad, the form auto-fills their LinkedIn profile information so they can submit their details with just a few clicks. People use LinkedIn lead gen forms because it simplifies the process of gathering high quality leads, reducing friction for users, and increasing the chances of conversions. It's perfect for businesses looking to capture contact information from professionals without requiring them to leave the LinkedIn platform. So, here in my LinkedIn lead gen forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead gen form response, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my LinkedIn lead gen forms with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your LinkedIn lead gen forms account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn lead gen forms. And here you can see my account details are already pre-filled because here I was already logged in my LinkedIn lead gen forms account. So now directly I'm going to click on the sign in option given over here. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the account and the lead form. So here to get this account name and the lead form, let me take you back to my LinkedIn lead gen forms account. So this is my LinkedIn lead account, and here you can see my account that I'm using with the name Pabbly's ad account. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the account I'm going to select my account as Pabbly's ad account. And now here after selecting my account, you can see the lead form has already been selected. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the form which I've created in my account over here. And here in this case, I'm going to use the form which is named as lead form. And now here after selecting my account and the lead form, I'm going to generate a test lead in my LinkedIn lead gen form. So for that, let me take you back to my account. And here I'm going to select the test form that I've created over here under this campaign. And here you can see my lead form, and now here to generate the test lead, I'm going to click on this apply now given over here. And here you can see the test form which I have created for my test campaign. And here you can see we have received the option for email address and the phone number. And here this first name, last name and company names are already static. That means these details are going to remain the fixed and we cannot change these details. So here these fields are static because here I've created a test form in a test campaign. But if you're running a live campaign, then automatically your lead will receive the option to enter all the details in this form over here. So here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the email address, I'm going to enter the email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And now here after entering the dummy details, I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And here you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow. And now here after generating the test response in our LinkedIn lead gen forms, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response where we have received the form name. Scrolling little down, here you can see the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here you can see the random phone number. Here for the first name, you can see the first name as Pabbly, last name as Subscription Billing Management Service, and the company name as Magnet Brains. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger. So here I've received a test response because I am running a test campaign. But if you're running the live campaign and receiving the live leads, then you will receive the response accordingly. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger. But here let me tell you that LinkedIn lead gen forms is a pooling based application. That means it will look for the new responses within 10 minutes. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger, and now here after generating a new lead in my LinkedIn lead gen forms, I want to notify my team about the new lead received on our Discord channel. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Discord. So Discord is a free communication app designed for creating communities where people can chat via text, voice or video. It's especially popular among gamers, but it's also great for anyone who wants to create a space for their group to hang out online. People use Discord because it offers a mix of chat rooms and voice channels, making it easy to talk, share files, and even play games together. You can join existing communities or create your own, customize your server with different channels, and use bots to add extra features. It's a fun and flexible way to stay connected with friends, teammates, or people who share your interest. So, here in my Discord action step, I'm going to select my action event as send channel message markdown, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my LinkedIn Legion forms, then automatically my team should get notified about the lead received on our Discord channel. And now here to connect my Discord with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. And here you can see after building this connection, here it is asking me for the webhook URL. So here to get this webhook URL, it says enter your webhook URL, follow these steps to get the webhook URL from your Discord account. So here I'm going to click on this hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on it, it will take you to our forum window where you can see all these steps to how to get the webhook URL from your Discord channel. So I'm going to follow all these steps to get the webhook URL from my Discord channel. So for that, let me take you back to my Discord channel. So this is my Discord channel which I've created with the name New LinkedIn Leads. So now I'm going to click on this edit channel option given over here. And from here, I'm going to select integrations. And here under integrations, you can see we have received the option for webhooks. So here I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to click on this new webhook option given over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a new webhook over here. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to enter this webhook URL. So now here after getting this webhook URL for my Discord channel, moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the message. So here in this message field, I need to enter the message which I want to send to my team on our Discord channel whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my LinkedIn Legion forms. So here I'm going to enter the message as new LinkedIn lead alert. Hello team, we have just received a new lead from our latest LinkedIn Legion form. Here are the details: first name, last name, email, phone number. Please review the lead information and reach out promptly to follow up. Let's ensure we make the most of this opportunity. So here you can see the message which I have entered, and here you can see I have used variable in front of these values over here, because now here I'm going to enter these values. So here instead of entering these values manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our LinkedIn Legion forms, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to search for the first name. So this is my lead's first name. So I'm going to map it. Here for the last name, I'm going to map my lead's last name. So I'm going to search for the last name. So this is my lead's last name. Here for the email, I'm going to map my lead's email. So for that, here I'm going to search for the email. So this is my lead's email. And here for the phone number, I'm going to search for the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number, and with this I have successfully entered the message over here. So now moving forward, and here this bot name and bot icon is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And then here for the text to speech, I'm going to select disable, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response over here. That means we have successfully sent a new message on our Discord channel for the new lead received. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received the successful message over here, where we have received the message as new LinkedIn lead alert. Hello team, we have just received a new lead from our latest LinkedIn Legion form. Here are the details: first name as Pabbly, last name as Subscription Billing Management Service, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number. Please review the lead information and reach out promptly to follow up. Let's ensure we make the most of this opportunity. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as LinkedIn Legion forms and our action as Discord, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our LinkedIn Legion forms, then automatically our team is going to get notified about the lead received on our Discord channel. And now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.